According to research from OpenAI published in late 2025, enterprise workers who use AI tools correctly are getting back 40 to 60 minutes every single day. That's not a marketing claim, that's from companies tracking actual employee output. Across a team of 50 people, that's roughly 33 to 50 hours of recovered productivity every single day. Now, here's what nobody's telling you: 91% of businesses says they are using AI, yet only 26% of employees use it weekly. There is a massive gap between the people who are actually saving that time and the people who think AI is still just a chatbot you ask random questions to. Today, I'm going to close that gap. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clear practical list of 10 AI tools across 5 different categories that real professionals are using right now to automate the boring stuff and actually get their evenings back. I'm not going to give you hype or buzzwords. Every tool here has a free tier or a low-cost starting point, and I'll tell you exactly who each one is best for. Whether you are a solo consultant, a marketing manager, or a startup founder, at least 3 of these will fit your workflow today. Our first category is workflow automation, and in this category, the first tool we're going to talk about is Zapier. Zapier is the connective tissue of your digital work life. In one sentence, it lets you build automated workflows called Zaps between over 7,000 apps with zero coding required. The problem it solves is the one that most of the professionals knows all too well. You're doing the same manual data transfer between apps every single day. Someone fills a form on your website, you copy into a spreadsheet, then paste into your CRM, then send a Slack message to your team. Zapier does all of that automatically the moment the form is submitted. Let's take a real-world example. A small business owner in London sets up a Zap so that every time new lead fills out a Google form, it automatically adds them to a Google Sheet, send a personalized welcome email via Gmail, and pings the sales team on WhatsApp. 3 minutes of setup and many hours saved every week. Next tool is Make, formerly called Integromat. Make is what you graduate to when Zapier feels limiting. It's a visual automation platform that lets you build far more complex, multi-step workflows with branching logic. The problem it solves: Zapier is great for simple linear automations, but real business logic is rarely linear. Make gives you that flexibility without writing a single line of code. Let's take the example of a freelance content creator who uses Make to pull approved briefs from Notion, pass them to an AI writing tool, save the draft back into Notion, and notify a client via email, all triggered by a single checkbox. It's best suited for slightly more technical users or anyone who uses workflows, have conditions, and multiple branches. Its free tier is quite workable. Our next category is content creation, and the first tool in this category is Notion AI. Notion AI turns your entire knowledge base into a working team member. It can summarize meeting notes, turn a rough brain dump into a structured SOP, generate first drafts from bullet points, and answer questions based on documents you have already written. The problem it solves is that most professionals are drowning in information that they never have time to organize or actually use. Notion AI makes that scattered knowledge instantly accessible and actionable. Consider a real-world example where a project manager at a mid-sized tech firm pastes their messy meeting notes into Notion and asks AI to extract action items, assign owners, and format it as a project update. What used to take 30 minutes takes 90 seconds. Next tool in this category is Gamma. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation and document builder. You give it a topic or a rough outline and it generates a fully designed, visually polished deck in under 2 minutes. The problem it solved is that the presentation design is a massive time sink. Most professionals aren't designers, but they still spend hours moving boxes around in PowerPoint. Gamma eliminates that completely. Take an example of a consultant in New York who needs to present a market entry strategy to a client the next morning. She types her key points into Gamma, selects a theme, and has a boardroom-ready deck in 5 minutes, not 5 hours. This tool is best suited for consultants, educators, salespeople, and anyone who regularly creates presentation or reports. The free plan is genuinely usable. Stay with me. One of the tools in the next category is one most people completely overlook, and it might be the single biggest time saver on this list for anyone who sits in meetings. Our next category is research and data analysis, and the first tool in this category is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI reimagines search. Instead of giving you 10 blue links and making you do all the work, it gives you a direct cited answer, synthesized from multiple real sources in seconds. The problem it solves is that the traditional search is slow and full of SEO noise. Perplexity cuts through that and gives you the actual information with sources you can verify. Take an example of a finance professional who needs to understand the implications of a recent monetary policy update. Instead of reading three different articles, they can ask Perplexity, get a concise source summary in 20 seconds, and move on. Perplexity is best for everyone who does heavy research, such as analysts, students, journalists, consultants, or anyone who is curious and don't like to waste time on Google. Next tool in the list is Claude. Claude, made by Anthropic, is a large language model that genuinely excels at one thing most AI tools struggle with. That is, handling long, complex documents with precision and nuance. The problem it solves is that the most people have contracts, reports, research papers, or lengthy briefs they need to understand quickly. Claude can ingest an entire 50-page document and give you an accurate, structured breakdown, including what's missing, what's risky, and what needs your attention. Take an example of a startup founder who uploads a 40-page investor term sheet to Claude and asks it to flag any unusual clauses, summarizes the key terms, and list questions to raise with legal team. It could be done under 3 minutes. Claude is best for professionals dealing with dense documents, legal or financial texts, long research, or any task that require careful reasoning or a large body of text. Coming up a few minutes, I'm going to show you a tool that completely automates your meeting follow-ups, including action items, summaries, and even the follow-up email. If you have ever walked out of a call and thought, I don't remember half of what has happened in that call, you'll want to stick around for that. If this video is useful to you, let me know in the comments what's your favorite tool and if you want a detailed video on it. Our next category is customer service and meetings. Here's the tool I teased earlier. It's called Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai joins your video meetings automatically, records the conversation, transcribes everything in real time, extracts action items, and sends a structured summary to every participant without you lifting a finger. Most of us spend the whole call trying to take notes instead of actually thinking, and then the follow-up takes another 30 minutes. Fireflies eliminates all of that. Take an example of a team lead in a SaaS company who runs 4 calls a day. With Fireflies, they can stop taking notes entirely. After every call, their inbox has a full transcript, a bullet point summary, and a list of action items automatically assigned by topic. This tool is best for anyone in the client-facing roles, team leads, founders, or remote teams across multiple time zones. One of the highest ROI tools on this list. I'd be doing you a disservice if ChatGPT wasn't on this list, but not for the reason most people use it. The real power in 2026 isn't asking it random questions. It's building custom GPTs or projects trained on your specific business context. Customer-facing teams spend enormous amount of time answering the same questions over and over. A custom ChatGPT trained on your product documentation, FAQs, and tone of voice can handle the first line of customer support. And this will be done accurately 24/7 in multiple languages. Take an example of a D2C brand which creates a custom GPT trained on their product catalog, which can refund policies and shipping information. It handles 60 to 70% of incoming customer queries on their website automatically, freeing their support team for escalations only. ChatGPT is often best for small business owners, e-commerce teams, and anyone running a support function without the budget for a full team. Next category is personal productivity. Our first tool is Motion. Motion is what happens when you give your calendar a brain. It uses AI to automatically schedule your tasks, meetings, and deep work blocks based on your priorities and deadline. And it reschedules everything in real time when things shift. Most professionals spend 20 to 30 minutes every morning figuring out what to do and when. And when a meeting moves, everything else has to be manually reshuffled. Motion does all of that automatically. For example, a product manager adds a task with a Friday deadline. Motion looks at the existing meetings, finds the best available focus windows across the weeks, blocks them, and protects them from new meeting schedules or requests. Motion is best for professionals juggling between multiple projects who feel like their day is running them, not the other way around. There is no free plan as of now, but the time savings are measurable from day one. Our next tool is Descript. Descript is a video and audio editor where you edit your content by editing text. The AI transcribes everything you record, and when you delete a word from the transcript, it removes it from the video. No timeline scrubbing, no technical skills needed. Video editing is the single biggest time bottleneck for content creation. Descript collapses what used to take hours into minutes, even for complete beginners. This tool is best for podcasters, educators, YouTubers, and anyone who's creating video or audio content who isn't a professional editor. Alright, so that was the list of 10 AI tools that you should be exploring this year. Let me give you the 3 I would recommend to start with if you are brand new to all of this. Number 1, Zapier. Start automating one thing this week, just one. The example that I described takes about 15 minutes to set up, and that's it. Number 2, Fireflies. Install it before your next meeting. You won't believe how much mental space you get back when you stop trying to take notes and just show up and think. Number 3, Perplexity AI. Replace one Google search today, just one. See how different it feels to get an actual answer instead of a list of links. Those 3 tools are free to start, require almost no learning curve, and will show you a tangible difference in how your work week feels within the first 7 days. Here's the honest truth. Researchers have found that the workers who use AI every day save over 4 hours a week. That's 17 days a year. The question isn't whether AI will change how you work. It is already doing it for the people using it. The only question is whether you are one of them. The next step is simple. Pick one tool from this list, set it up today, not tomorrow, not when things slow down. Today. And if you want to understand the bigger picture before you deep dive inside AI agents and autonomous workflows, I've made a video specifically for that. It covers everything you need to know before you go any further. You'll find it right here. And if you're interested in learning how AI is reshaping business, productivity, and the future of work, consider subscribing because that's exactly what we explore here.